would a testosterone supplement post use of finasteride, again, totally in theory, balance out the impact of, it sounds like, again, the inhibition or suppression of DHT, or is it not that simple?
Great question. I think it's probably not that simple, but I think it can certainly have a role in helping restore function for men who are experiencing post-finasteride syndrome. And there are cohorts of men out there that are in support groups and things like that who are really suffering from this and need probably a trial and error approach to some solutions. We can support better function with medications like sildenafil, tadalafil. We can support sort of that more global cognitive effect by therapists, involving folks like yourself. And certainly testosterone may play a role to try to sort of boost that system. We always want to be cautious about using testosterone, especially in the younger population of men who may be considering fertility and wanting to have children, because testosterone use is a very powerful suppressor of sperm production.